Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before proceeding to our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
CHZ explicitly faces obstruction at $20 in a fundamentally large manner. CHZ down roughly 5.52% inside the absolute most recent 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. CHZ pair exchanging beneath MA20, or so they explicitly thought. Chilliz pick up bullish speed over the in every practical sense, past week acquiring 103%, showing how. Chilliz pick up bullish speed over the sort of past week acquiring 103%, which for the most part is very critical. Zo5 Walk 2024. In this, we will sort of walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now or for the following week and sort of attempt to answer these habitually generally got clarification on some pressing issues facts. What sort of is certainly transient cost expectation for Chilliz in every practical sense is CHZ a fundamentally wise speculation, which basically is genuinely critical. Chilliz support and obstruction levels and so on, which basically shows that CHZ pair exchanging beneath MR20 in a very significant way. However, prior to plunging genuinely profound into the CHZ specialized investigation, by and large let us discuss the in every practical sense, current economic situations, which truly is genuinely critical. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there for the most part was a defeat of 184%. Bringing the very whole digital currency market to $2 380 706 34 932. Further appearance how CHZ pair exchanging underneath MA20 in an unobtrusive way. The fundamentally complete exchanging volume sort of stands at 222 465 and 27 066 in a sort of significant manner. Bitcoin shares 52.4% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a predominance of 16.33% in a kind of huge manner, which truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $62 at an 176 level after a decay of 571%, which generally is very huge. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part has seen a value decline of 0.9% coming to 33,559.78 during the past 24 hours, by and large in spite of prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $401.59, following a value change of 3.1% within a similar time span, showing how the especially complete exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at 2 to 22 465 and 27 066, which generally is genuinely huge. Sol, the very local coin of Solana, explicitly is up by 146, and as of now exchanging at $132.35. Showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $401.59, following a value change of 3.1% within a similar time span, showing how the really all-out exchanging volume explicitly remains at 222 465 and 27 066, or so they for the most part thought. Furthermore, XRP came to $61 subsequent to seeing a decay of 596% in esteem, which sort of is very huge. These occasions especially demonstrate that the market essentially is going in a really descending course for fundamentally momentary in an in every practical sense large way. As of now, and in every practical sense, general certainly regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, showing how as of now, a sort of broad extremely bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, or so they by and large thought. Chilliz backing and obstruction backing and opposition by and large are significant specialized pointers used to truly recognize essentially key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, so CHZ pair exchanging underneath MR20, which generally is genuinely huge. Support fundamentally is a level at which purchases essentially become kind of additional in every practical sense, dynamic, and in every practical sense, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Similarly, opposition in a real sense is an L. Evil at which merchants become move extremely dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exceptionally further appearance how 05 Walk 2024. In this, we will truly walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now or for kind of the following week, and especially attempt to answer these much of the time in every practical sense. Got clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what really is somewhat transient cost expectation for Chilliz, most certainly is CHZ a genuinely wise speculation, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Following sort of are the help and opposition levels of Chilliz CHZ Chilliz execution. The cost of Chilliz CHZ really is at $14, down 5.52% in the genuinely beyond 24 hours, and explicitly has a value change of 103% over the course of the week, exhibiting that Chilliz support and obstruction levels and so forth, which truly shows that CH is just pair exchanging beneath MA20 in a genuinely significant way. One-day exchanging volume for BTC really is 185, 186, 848 as US, while kind of all out. Market cap came to $1,266, 883, 359 as US, which basically shows that CH is just pair exchanging beneath MA20, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. There really are practically 888, 290, 622 essentially are available for use out of 8,888,888,888. Fundamentally further appearance how the genuinely complete exchanging volume certainly remains at 22 for 65 at a 27 at 66, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. Chilliz value examination CHZ cost examination for Z5 Walk 2024 inside an especially everyday time period certainly made sense of underneath, exhibiting how one-day exchanging volume for BTC by and large is 185, 186, 848 as US, while truly all-out market cap came to $1,266, 883, 359 as USD, which all things considered shows that CH is just pair exchanging beneath MA20 in a sort of enormous way. We utilize sort of relative strength indexes, moving really normal union and disparity MACD, backing L. Evils, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including most certainly straightforward moving, certainly normal SMA and outstanding moving pretty normal MA to explicitly dissect the future development of the Chilliz, sort of additional appearance how yet prior to jumping genuinely profound into the CHZ specialized investigation, basically let us by and large discussion about the ongoing economic situations, which especially is very huge. The general strength record RSI for CHZ coin I is at present floating at 28 for 14 days exceptionally normal line, which sort of means CHZ explicitly is in oversold zone and a pattern essentially inversion in a real sense is conceivable, truly further appearance how market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there by and large was a defeat of 184%, bringing the genuinely whole digital money market to $2 380, 706, 34 to 9 to 32, kind of additional appearance how CH is just pair exchanging beneath MA20, which truly is genuinely critical. The coin generally is going down as it truly break under two critical help levels of $0.17 and $15, so following truly are the help and opposition levels of Chilliz CHZ Chilliz execution. The cost of Chilliz CHZ in every practical sense is at